There he is. You can see him in the reflection of the window in the apartment across the way, because he's around the back of my building. And that's the only way I could see it right now without going out there. I was out there once already this morning, but I'm going to wait till they get a little bit closer. No point in standing out there freezing watching him plow somebody else out. Here he comes, backing out with another full load. They'll get it eventually. At least they're here. Well, there's my car, and there's the pile in front of it, and there's all the snow that's still got to be cleared. But there's hope. Not too far away. Making progress. Slowly but surely, paths are being cut through the tundra, but they're asking a whole heck of a lot of that little tiny snowblower, I'll tell you that. This kid's really struggling. Gotta give him credit. Look, 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 he's almost there, he's almost there. He's almost there. Come on, buddy, break through, break through, break through. Here he comes. Oh! Woohoo! There is an opening to the outside world. Woohoo! Oh, baby! Look at that. Yeah! Yeah, freedom. Now, if I can just get my car out of there to get it over to that opening, we're so close. We're so close. Once he broke through, he got all the way to the other side of the neighborhood now. So we've got a road, except for this big boulder here, that goes through and out of here. But I still have a problem. How am I going to get my car out of there? I thought he'd come by a little bit closer, so I can get out from behind this mountain here, but I don't know. There's still a lot of snow between me and what road we have here. Mountains of it. Mountains of it. Now that we have an opening to the outside world, check this out. That's the mountain that was buried behind the mailbox. Oh, the mailman's here. It's the first mail since Friday. Look at that big pile of stuff he's got to deliver there. My, my, my. Buried. Buried. That's in front of my car. Yay! I might be free soon. So figuring out where to put all this stuff is the other part of the problem, obviously. Because they piled up as much as they can at the end there. I don't know how much more he can put back there. Plus, it's been piled up over here. And there's no way to see. Oh, there's one of my neighbors. She was the one that shoveled the walkway out, thank God. I can't do it. My back is shot now. I'm on 800 milligrams of Motrin as it is. Try not to bury the mailman over there, okay? That would be a bad thing. But if he can go straight up through now, maybe get my car out, that'd be great. All right, this could be the one. This could be the drive that finally gets my car out of there. Let's see. Well, maybe not. He's doing the left side now. I'm over there. about to try to see if he can get enough out from in front of my vehicle so I can get the car out. That's really close. And then I'm gonna have to barge through with as much of a running start as I can get out of his way, and he can clear the rest of these spots out here. But that's a lot of work still, a lot of piles. We'll see what happens. I don't think I can do it yet. Okay, come on. All right, we're trying another sweep here. Maybe with the snowblower we can get closer. And this guy is good, but he's sliding. That's what's making me worried. He can get real close to me, but he's sliding so much, it's very hard to get. And I'm trying to just rock to make sure I can be as far out of his way as possible. Far back as I can get. I cleared a lot more of the snow out from in front of it just by kicking it around. This machine's not made for that. Thank you. I'm going to get the hell out of your way for a little while. Thank you. Woo-hoo-hoo! Freedom! Freedom! Now to try to get through the neighborhood. Let's see. How do we do? It's not great, but it's passable. I don't know what I'll do if there's another car coming towards me. I just needed to get out of the way of the front loader so he can clear the rest of those spots out, and then might actually have a possibility to get back in again. That's my seatbelt yelling at me. Let's see what's going on down this way. One single path. What do we do if somebody's coming our way? Wow. I don't know. I gotta head back to the homestead there and try to figure out how to stay out of his way and then pull back in once it's clear. Yeah, it's definitely piled up pretty high just to get the driveways clear on the neighboring houses. Snow blowers out everywhere. This is actually the first day that it seems that people are making progress in a lot of areas. It's piled up quite high around here. I'm going to try to head back to the apartment complex and see how he's done in clearing out some space. As you can see, it's very hard to figure out even whether it's safe to turn the corner or not with the mountains that had to been piled up just to get out of here, out of anywhere. Let's see. Don't stop, Nick, you'll get stuck again. I don't even recognize where I'm going. Everything looks so different. It's like I'm in a whole different town. And you got to feel bad for the dogs too. It's hard for them to get out, and some of the older ones, or more timid ones, are actually scared to go out in the snow, and it's quite frightening for them. It's interesting. There's a beauty. Must be loving it, made for this weather.
It's a little too deep.
Too deep, but yeah, but he's got the coat on, that's for sure. It's good they can get out finally. I know it's been rough for him. Have fun. Cute dog. Alright, let's see if I can get back into my complex. Uh-oh, hope this guy's not turning my way. And he is. So I'll pull over here and hope I don't get stuck now. Let him get by. Keep moving, don't stop. That's when it's hard. Look at this, they've got snow blowers just trying to clear the street. That's a main street. That's a main street in front of me. And that's the only path through it. And they're using snow blowers to widen the road. This is totally insane. I haven't seen what the back of my neighborhood looks like yet. So, oh yeah, he's plowing on this side, so I'm gonna try to go in the back door and see. Good for him. All right, we're making progress. We got the other little snow plow on the pickup truck that's going to town now that the major load has been pulled out of the way from the front loader. Gonna try to go in the back way here and see how they did on this side. The parking lot is a loop at my Derbyshire apartments. This is icy uphill. Let's see if I keep moving, maybe I can keep it going. Yeah, not bad. Not bad, I kept it going, okay. But look at the size of the mountains to go by. Whew. Man, oh man. I hear the truck in front of me. He's still up there. I don't think there's a way back in yet. That doesn't look like it's clear. I got a little ways to wait before I can get back in. And one thing I don't want to do is get stuck here. So I'm going to get out of his way and go around the other side again if I can move. He's doing exactly what I hoped he would do and why I got out of his way. Those are the parking spots right there that my car was blocking the middle of. And he's going to come right through sideways like that and clear those out so we can all park again. Trying to make a U-turn to get out and get back in on the other side after he clears those spots out so I can get my spot back. Yay! Alright, I'm going to try to go back in through the front way. Oh, yeah. Kenny's still there. That's Kenny. He's our regular maintenance guy, and he's got his regular pickup truck snowplow now. He's able to get through it once, because the big stuff was taken out by the front loader. See if I can get by him. Yep, I'm gonna go while he's there. Make sure he doesn't hit me backing up. How are we looking over here? Let's see. Oh, look at how all the spots there are now clear. He just plowed a path right through where all the old parking spots were. And now we'll be able to pull back in again. So the plan worked. I love it when a plan comes together. Love it when a plan comes together.